Luciano, Lifestyle and Net Worth. Before exploring the life and legacy of reggae icon Luciano, please subscribe for more inspiring stories about music legends. Jeptha McClymont, known as Luciano, was born on October 20, 1964, in Davyton, Manchester Parish, Jamaica. Dubbed the Messenjah, Luciano is a cornerstone of roots reggae, celebrated for his conscious lyrics and spiritual depth. Raised as the seventh of 9 children in a strict Adventist family, Luciano's early life was shaped by music and faith. His father, an evangelist and carpenter, crafted a guitar that Luciano learned to play, sparking his musical journey. Singing in church choirs and local youth clubs, he honed his craft before moving to Kingston in the late 1980s to pursue a career. Luciano's lifestyle reflects his Rastafarian beliefs, emphasizing humility and spirituality. Known for ironing his own clothes before performances and engaging with fans like family, he remains grounded despite global fame. His performances, marked by high-energy stage entrances and impromptu instrumentals, resonate with audiences worldwide, from Jamaica to Japan. Luciano's advocacy for marijuana legalization and his rejection of violent or misogynistic lyrics set him apart in the reggae dancehall scene. In 2010, he was gifted land in Gambia by President Yahya Jammeh, reflecting his desire to connect with Africa, where he first performed in 2001. His career began in 1992 with the single Ebony and Ivory, under the name Luciano, followed by his debut album Moving Up in 1993. Collaborations with producers like Philip Fatus Burrell and Freddie McGregor propelled him to stardom, with hits like Shake It Up Tonight, a 1993 UK reggae chart topper, and It's Me Again Jah. His 1995 album Where There Is Life solidified his role in the Rasta Renaissance, alongside artists like Garnett Silk. Luciano has released over 40 albums, earning 2 Grammy nominations, 2002 for A New Day and 2016 for Zion Awake. In 2007, he received Jamaica's Order of Distinction for his contributions to music. Estimating Luciano's net worth is challenging due to limited financial transparency in reggae. Sources suggest a range of $1 million to $5 million, derived from album sales, tours, and royalties. His prolific output and global performances, including a 2014 show with the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra, contribute to his earnings. However, his modest lifestyle, rooted in his rural upbringing and Rastafarian values, suggests he prioritizes impact over wealth. Luciano's legacy lies in his ability to uplift through music. Despite personal tragedy, including the 2016 murder of his son Menelik, he continues to advocate for peace and positivity. His influence endures, with Rolling Stone ranking him 143 among the 200 greatest singers in 2023, cementing his status as a reggae luminary.